In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Waze in 2026. We'll be doing this from the Waze website, and the process is straightforward once you know where to look. If you want to keep your account secure, updating your password regularly is always a good idea, especially if you think your current one may be too old or too easy to guess. First, go to Waze and wait for the home page to load completely. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll usually find your profile and account-related options. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. This opens the menu connected to your account. From there, select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where Waze lets you manage your personal account preferences and login details. Once you're inside the account section, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You should see a menu area there. Click on the three-line menu icon to expand or reveal more options if they're not already visible. This is helpful because some account settings can be tucked away in the side navigation depending on your screen size or browser window. After opening that menu, click on Change Password. Waze will then bring you to the password update page. Here, you'll need to enter your current password first. This step helps confirm that it's really you making the change. Next, type in your new password. When creating a new password, try to choose something strong and unique that you haven't used before. A good password is usually harder to guess and includes a mix of characters. Just make sure it's also something you can store safely in a password manager or remember securely. After that, retype your new password in the confirmation field. This is simply to make sure there are no typing mistakes. It's important that both entries match exactly, so take a second to double check before moving on. Finally, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, your Waze password should be updated, and from that point forward, you'll use the new password the next time you sign in, and that's all it takes to change your password on Waze. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh the browser and make sure the change was accepted. Keeping your login information updated is a simple step that can make your account much more secure.